Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So in the previous tutorial we have covered the matrix in details. So today we will go the application why we were learning the matrix. So we will cover the part translation. So if we will go to the Unreal and we will check any actor. So this is a blueprint here. Here I will have one actor. Here you can see if I will add a cube here. So here you can see I can translate it here. So this is the location. This is the translation in X direction. This is the translation in Y direction, and this is the translation in Z direction. Translation is like you are moving in that direction. That's it. So how you will do the translation? So by default, we have a function called set actor location, and we will just increment the X, Y, Z in that direction. So this is the conventional way. We will create our own class and we will see how we can do that. So under math guide, yes, I will have a folder for actors, and here we will create our own actor class. So it will be a Unreal class and the parent will be the actor, and we will name it as M actor because we do want to use our functions here. Okay. Okay, let me put it here. Actually, tick should be the part of begin. Okay, sorry, protected. Tick should be the part of the protection. Okay, so now what we will do, we will create translate function. So it will be the public. So void translate, and we will write m translate. So you can easily see the difference. Okay, I'm just prefixing m just for the difference. And here we will pass the f vector. Remember, we are passing f vector for a reason here. Reason is like we do want to use the u function. If we will pass the m vector, it will give you the error. So let's make it blueprint callable. Alt enter, generate definition. So first thing we will convert our f vector in m vector. So m vector const m vector and m vector equals to vector dot to m vector. Okay, so we don't have any direct function to convert our f vector to the m vector. So we will create that definition here only. So it will write the m vector to m vector. It will take the f vector and return vector dot x comma vector dot y comma vector dot z, and by default actually they are double, so we will have to cast them to float. I hope you are following this series from the starting so you can have the idea why we are doing that. Okay, now we'll use to vector vector. Nope, right now we haven't uh, have we included in the header file? No. Alto. Nope. So we will actually we will be in the private protected section. Okay, colon and vector, and we will forward declare it. Forward declare means like we are not including the header file of m vector. So that is why we are just including class here. Alt enter, generate definition. Okay. Perfect. So now we can use to vector, and here we will pass the vector. So now we have our M vector, our beloved M vector. So the translation is we just have to add this vector in the current actor location. So if we will get our actor location, so we already have a function inside Unreal get actor location. But the issue with this is like it will give you a vector, right? And in the end, we just have to add them together and it will translate it. So one of the ways like we can actually add this with get actor location, and we can convert this to the M vector, right? So now we have the M vector and this is the addition part. Next thing is we just have to set the location. So set actor location. And here also we need IM vector. So F vector. So we can directly copy paste it actually. I'm not sure like do we need this function here at all? I'm guessing no, but we need it in the future. So don't worry about it. But in the meantime, you have this translate function, right? So now the implementation is really simple. You are just adding a vector to the current location. So it will give you that effect like you are translating your actor. So what we'll do in the tick function, first I will compile. Okay, it is done. Let me close it. Here I will do mTranslate. Okay, first we have to change the parent because it was actor and our parent should be mActor. Now we can call mTranslate. And let's imagine if we do want to translate in the X direction. So I will just split it and multiply with some large value so it will be visible. 5. Compile and save. Here in the default, I will set it to 0, 0. Will drag drop something. Okay. So this is at 0, 0. This is at minus 500 and minus 500. This is at 500 minus 500, 500, 500, and this is minus 500, comma 500. So now if we will play, it will move in the X direction. So let's try. See, they're slightly moving forward. If you will go really close, then you can see the movement. If you do want to increase that movement, you just have to multiply with some crazy value like 25. Should be visible to you. Not it is. I hope it is visible, yeah. Okay, let's do something crazy. Let's move it with 500 and we'll let's check if it is moving in some uh, XY direction. So it will move in this side. So let's check. See, now they are moving in the correct direction and the speed is quite good. I hope you got this concept. So so when we play the game, so usually we use the translation. Like you're moving. So right now, while I'm moving forward rotation, so this is just the translation. Uh, the thing which I'm doing right now. Let's bring that cool dude here, and let's try with the Z just to check if everything worked fine or not. And now they are moving into the Z direction. Perfect. So I think that was it. Now you got the concept how we can translate it and how the translation work and why this. Okay, we haven't used the matrix in translation. So we will see in like how we will use the translation in the rotation and the scaling part. So this was very small tutorial, just you to understand the translation. So thank you and have a nice day.